so much fun with this. And no wet top coat on the top. Hi, Makeup by Jean. This is Miss Moda. So floating the top coat on the top of your nails of condensed glue gel. I mean, all right. I'm not using one of this. Hello, right there. I'm gonna put a lot of beads in there. I think I got the silver one. You know, if your clients don't want any other crystals, you can just do like a chamfer foil, and then after that you put the no wipe top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you are absolutely good to go. But the clients want some crystals blings on it. I think it's fun to add some on. I'm using like a perfect shard, the newest shape, and my Calmly Brilliance. I love that. That's one of my favorites. And can you get me some beads? Right there, go beads. I'm using the Cool Charms metallic art from Metallic Art Designer. Really fun. I don't know, it's like bye, Mika. See you. Yeah. Okay. Have a nice weekend. See ya. Oh my god, this flower is cute. I forgot. But then we can't do all flowers and everything. Is going to take away from that cute chamfer foil. It's so much fun. All right, I think this one is super cute. If you're happy with this, absolutely you can here for 60 seconds. Debbie, if you are still there, I'm just reading the comments on the side right now. I will definitely check the message later. All right, great. So here for 60 seconds on this one. I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm off from okay, so. Nuna, hi Nancy, have you ever had clients that like bring their own nails item like ones you are using right now? And so, do you have policy about not accepting? Yes, Nuna. I will be. We have the clients will bringing. They will offer to bringing some of like a rhinestone or crystals. Yes, we do have that, but we don't. We don't accept with other products because unless it's you using it, because if the clients give you some crystal and then you have some too, right? And what happened, you place it on, and it really depends on the type of crystal it is. If it's something is not incorporated with your glue gels, it could affect its whole entire thing. Then no, we don't take it from our other clients. We consult them first, and if they need, we can get something in and do it as a price request. But we're not, can I get a condensed glue gel? But we are not like doing a crystal or using other product or even a nail polish. I know, like you say, oh, but it's the OPI. They're super cute. And we can do is precision glue right now. Close this one. So hope it's answered the question, that Nuna. So I don't, to be honest, so we don't take the products from the clients. I know that they have really beautiful, like maybe crystal, no offense, but you have to stand behind your work as well, because it's something that happened that a client said, or if something happens somehow, some way, you're not sure, you couldn't even, I can't even have a client that even bring a powder or nail polish or gel polish of their own. We would love to offer like getting the nails done so then they can go home and do it themselves. Because if you charge the clients for the service of it, if something happened, of course you're gonna respond for this. All right, so I'm gonna clear this one for 60 seconds after filing all the cracks and the edges of the crystal and the bead. So then that way you're gonna keep these nails nice and stay longer.